Get the best 2 deals plus clearance. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, clearance here. We got the DeWalt's. This is 16 gauge angled finish nailer. It is on clearance for $279, down from $329. Guys, if you guys see something like this, if you guys are interested in an item, make sure you guys double check with your associate. They do have special cell phones that they got in store only for them. And they can, they can see the actual price, if it's that price or if it's not any lower. Sometimes these prices do not get updated. And this one's $21.47. And then we saw this brand new tool. We've seen this before at other stores, but fairly new to the tool world. This is some pruning tool, 20-volt battery operated by DeWalt. And then we saw this, guys. They're offering a brand new version of this for $169, I believe, or $179. This one's the older. It's kind of like going out, but it's still pretty good because you get a free brush with that one. If you can find that at your stores, I know it's trending right now at TikTok. There's just a lot of TikToks and stuff like that is trending. Maybe that's why everybody's buying them. And I'm actually painting, guys. So I'm painting, and I'm looking for materials so I can start painting and stuff like that in my house. I'm remodeling the house, so I was looking at this taping gun. Looks pretty nice. And then you got the frog tape. That's what they recommended. And guys, the clearance section on these paints, that's a really nice color for $30. I mean, these are really expensive paints. And for $30, make sure you guys take a look at your clearance section at your store. And then I found this guide. It's like a painting shield that you can use without taping. Guys, if there's any painters or any people that used to paint that have experience, let us know down in the comment section. What's the best way to paint, baseboards and doors and walls and stuff like that? I'm just painting my house, so I need all the help I can get. And the best, obviously the best brands. So $39. This one's down to $39 of the Milwaukee 20-piece set. And then, guys, I can't stress this enough. Rigid is gonna be the best bang for your buck. They're not so expensive. They're only $149, I believe, for the 3-piece solid tools or toolboxes. I would say this is the Rigid 2.0. So definitely, if you're not invested in Milwaukee or DeWalt and all those expensive brands, this is the one for you. This is a pro level. All right, so you got the mower $299, the string trimmer $159, and then you got the pressure washer 600 psi for $199. Easy clean. Those are for lighter duty use only. Don't expect that to be like a pressure washer. You got the chainsaw for $169, and that is the same mower that we saw earlier. It is 20 inches HP. Brushless, self-propelled. So that's pretty good. And then they got the Cadillac, obviously. This is the Milwaukee Fuel for $11.99. Yes, only $11.99, right? On sale. And then they got the gloves. This is the Milwaukee gloves. These are actually pretty nice. Not so expensive. You got the pruner for $3.19. I believe that's the kit. The gloves are $11.97. That's pretty good. Goatskin gloves. They got 3 different sizes, medium, XL. And then they got the 8-inch saw chain there for $8. They got the dual battery. This is the brand new blower, guys. Dual battery blower, $328. I know it's expensive. I want it, guys. I want it real bad. I'm probably gonna have to wait until next month because I already spent it too much. Yes, guys, the videos are coming up. I got versus videos. Yes, you guys requested it. I got versus videos of some of the newer tools that are coming out. DeWalt, Hercules. Those are all going versus videos from impact drivers and drills coming up. So guys, yes, that's the regular blower, and obviously it's $100 less. But I believe the other one, it does give you around 600 CFM for the other blower. So I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it paying the $100 extra. Because you can get this blower with the, basically with the hack or with the free batteries. And you can bring it down to around $120, $100. But the other one, I'm just gonna wait. I guess I don't know. I might get it or might not. You got the 12 volt adapter here. This is nice. It is kind of pricey, 69 bucks, but you know, if you're a Milwaukee fan, that's the way to do it. 629. This is actually a great value for your money. You're getting total of 4 Makita batteries. This one's self-propelled, so this one does have all the bells and whistles, at least for this brand. Yes, you're getting a total of 4 batteries with this one. That's actually a pretty good deal. They're 5 amp hour batteries. Guys, these are the newer XGT 40 volt max. This is an impact driver and hammer drill. Top of the line, I do have these. These things are a beast. They're very comfortable. The only thing I don't like about these are the batteries, guys. I don't know if my batteries are bad. I still haven't had a chance to get them out and try them again before I make a video for you guys. But I believe my batteries are bad. And I only have about maybe a couple years since I bought these when they came out. So it might be a bad batch. Let us know in the comment section if you guys tried those batteries, if you guys had any problems with the Makita 40 volt max batteries. Alright, so they got the combo there for 3 or the... I can't talk tonight. Alright, so they got the battery. Here's a 6 amp hour battery starter kit for $249. It is this FlexVolt. They got the FlexVolt combo there. So it does have the 60 volt. These are all 60 volt tools, by the way. So if you put in your 20 volts, it's not going to work. Those are only 60 volt tools. So $349 for that, for the string trimmer. You got $399 for the Troy build. That's gas. They got this one on sale, guys. $441. That's a really good deal for self-propelled 60 volt mower. It is a great brand. It is Toro, 21-inch cordless self-propelled. So that's pretty dang good for the price. Alright, so they got the 7 pattern rising nozzle, $21. As for the pressure washer, the lighter duty pressure washer, they got a little soap dispenser there. It's not a foam cannon. You're not gonna get any foam with this one. 21 for the tips. Alright, so if you got talking about some serious pressure, there you go. This is not gonna take your paint off, but it's gonna wash your car. It's gonna take the dirt off of it. That's a really nice pressure washer. It does have all the built-in storage, the tools for storage. Guys, just a short video this weekend. I've been super busy at home, just trying to get all my remodel stuff done. I've been putting doors up and down. And I do apologize. I could not get a video. I'm going to see if I can get a video out for you guys. Versus videos, guys. I do have the brand new DeWalt XR. Hopefully, I can make some videos for you guys. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.